Good morning, students. In class 7th, we were studying active passive, and today we will start exercise N, and hopefully we will finish active passive by today. So, in exercise N, page number 109, fill in the blanks with the correct passive voice from the verbs given in the brackets. So, adversity dash as blessings in disguise. Proverbs, we will have to use present form. In present cases, normally it will convert into is hailed. Fine. So, adversity is hailed. B. As blessing in disguise. Many people believed that, believe से पता लग रहा है present tense चल रहा है, that the best qualities may bring was brought, was का use करना ही है, may be का use नहीं होगा, only are brought. To the surface level, a man's patience was tested, no, will tested, no, will be, no, only is tested. Better in adversity rather than in prosperity. The best man of the world. मिस्ड पास्ट इंडिकेट करता है, मैन एक है तो आर का यूज नहीं होगा, विल का यूज नहीं कर सकते, वी हैव टू यूज ओनली इज मिस्ड. Is missed in a cradle of poverty. So prosperity dash is valued, are valued, can be. No need to use can be, are, we will use only is valued. Better after adversity. Fine. So adversity is hailed as a blessing in disguise. Many people believe that the best qualities are brought to the surface level. A man's patience is tested better in adversity rather than in prosperity. The best man of the world is missed in a cradle of poverty. And finally, prosperity is valued better after adversity. Fine. And last exercise O. Change the sentences from the passive to active. Now you have to change passive to active. In exercise O, let my bags be carried to my room. Basically, let ka use, generally we just give the command also. So proper active will be carry my bags to my room. You are not expected to do it alone. So basically, I do not expect you to do it alone. Third, she was asked to finish the work before leaving the office. She was asked to finish the work before leaving the office. Basically, it was asked, basically her, है ना, मैनेजर ने उससे पूछा था. So the manager asked her to finish the work. It was misprinted by the book. The manager asked her to finish the work before leaving the office. Because the proper formation is she was asked to finish the work by the manager before leaving the office. तो by the manager यहाँ पर नहीं है, तो generally we have to use the manager. Fine, because of misprinting. 4. Let the various jobs be handled by the students. तो by the students means students यहाँ पे subject हो जाएगा. तो the students handle the various jobs themselves. The students handled the various jobs the students handled the various jobs themselves. His words must not be taken too seriously. So basically, you must not take his words so seriously. Yeah, too seriously. You must not take his words too seriously. Six. Everybody present there was deeply moved by her tragic story. So her tragic story deeply moved everybody. Her tragic story deeply moved everybody. Present there. Seventh, he has hardly ever been trusted by his colleagues. So his colleagues, have hardly ever trusted him. His colleagues have hardly ever trusted him. His colleagues hardly have trusted him. You can use have hardly also, just like let each child be given some responsibilities. Give each child some responsibility. Ninth, a class were being taken by very efficient and senior teachers. Very efficient and senior teacher. very efficient and senior teachers were taking our classes. Tenth, why am I being treated so unfairly? Why are you treating me so unfairly? Why are you treating me? So is given na. So 11th. What steps were taken to keep the document safe? What steps did he take? What steps did he take to keep the document safe? Alright, so let my bags be carried to my room will be convert carry my bags to my room. Second, you are not expected to do it alone. I don't expect you to do it alone. She was asked to finish the work before leaving the office by manager na. So the manager asked her to finish the work before leaving the office. Let the various jobs be handled by students themselves. The students handle the various jobs themselves according to active rules. His words must not be taken too seriously. You must not take his words too seriously. Everybody present there was deeply moved by her tragic story. So her tragic story deeply moved everybody present there. He has hardly ever been trusted by his colleagues. His colleagues have already trusted him. Let each child be given some responsibility will be converted into give each child some responsibility. Our classes were being taken by very efficient and senior teachers. So very efficient and senior teachers were taking our classes. Why am I being treated so unfairly? Why are you treating me so unfairly? In the last, what steps were taken to keep the document safe? What steps did he take to keep the document safe? So that was your active passive, and basically it has been finished now. Fine. So in upcoming lecture we will start the new topic. Thank you so much.